Welcome to the IDAH2O Master Water Stewards program. I'm the coordinator and extension water educator, Jim Eakins. In a nutshell, this is an educational project about water quality where people can volunteer to collect stream assessment data. We keep the data secure and is publicly available via an online app. The basic training includes two parts. It starts first with either a half day in the classroom or this online course of study. This prepares you with a broad understanding about the whole concept of what is water quality, the history and development of policy for protecting our waterways, and the science behind the assessment techniques. Over the years, I found that many people are satisfied with this background knowledge and don't feel the need to continue with field investigations. However, if you want more, after you've taken this online or classroom portion, sign up for the second portion of the Master Water Stewards training, which is a half-day field investigation workshop at a local stream. I, or one of my colleagues, will offer these hands-on in-stream workshops in places throughout Idaho in spring and summer. It prepares you with the hands-on experience needed to begin collecting real stream water quality data. Once you have completed both of these trainings, you are eligible to be assigned a monitoring kit with everything you need to know to collect the IDAH2O Master Water Stewards data. This online workshop follows the same topics and progressions as the in-person classroom version. There are 7 modules, which might take 3 hours to complete. It is important that citizen scientists who collect water quality data have a solid background in the topic, hence the robust training you'll receive here. You may work through each module at your own pace. You may take a break as you complete each module and return to continue at another time. Each module contains a combination of short videos, narrated presentations, and links to additional resources for more in-depth study. You will need to progress through each module in order to complete the training. Because this is a certification program, I've included short quizzes at the end of each module so that you can demonstrate your learning. As you progress, feel free to contact me via email or phone if you have questions, need additional information, or have any difficulty with the program. Thanks again for your interest in water quality and the IDAH2O program. Let's go.